Greetings, this is Charles Darwin, and I'm here to ask you a relatively simple question. And that is, what color is a leaf? And of course you might say, green, of course, aren't leaves green? Well, most leaves are green, perhaps in addition to other colors. But the reason for that is because green is the color of chlorophyll, which absorbs the sunlight that is the source of energy for the leaves to make sugar, from which all of the food in the world is made. And so it's a beautiful green color. Look at this. This is a horseradish plant. And so you would say leaves are green. But that's not always the case. There are some leaves out in the natural world that are other colors. However, those are the leaves whose primary function is not to make food, but rather, perhaps like bracts, to call attention to the presence of flowers. So they have a function other than making food. And so that occasionally happens. However, it's pretty rare in nature for photosynthetic leaves to be other colors because out in nature there's competition so that each leaf has to pay its own way, make enough food to make itself worthwhile to the plant that has produced it. In horticultural settings, however, garden plants, etc., we can have other things, such as this purple fringe basil plant right here. Now, its leaves are green, but the reason for the purple color is that they have red anthocyanin colors in addition to the green color. Put red and green together and you get purple. And so this is a plant that probably would not grow very fast out in the natural world and would be disfavored by natural selection, but we like them, so we raise them under conditions in which they don't have to fight for their own survival. And then there's another mystery. What about this? The leaves that you see here are, if I can keep from falling over, okay, the leaves that you see here are Virginia creeper. And maybe you can't tell from this video because video colors aren't perfect, but these leaves have a distinctly blue cast to them. Now, they are green on the inside, and some of the newer leaves, if you can see those, some of the newer leaves are in fact bright green, but the older leaves look like they're blue. They're green on the inside, but they, on the outside, appear to have a blue cast. Why is that? And I'm suggesting to you that there is no answer to that question. There are many questions in evolution that have no answer, and what happens is the blue cast is just an optical illusion caused by the thick layer of wax on top of the leaf. And you can probably see this anywhere you go walking around the forests of the eastern United States. Now, there is a reason, or perhaps several reasons in natural selection, why the Virginia creeper should have a thick layer of wax, but the blue color that results from that is not the subject of natural selection. There's no advantage for the leaf to actually be blue. This is Charles Darwin, tally-ho, and amen.